Let us go with our new topic, limits. From the limits we have 2 marks expected for 2 questions. Okay, let us go with our questions. Limit extends to 0, kth root of under root 1 plus x minus 1 by x, k is a positive integer. Then what about this? Either k minus k, 1 by k, minus 1 by k. Now which one is the option? Okay, maximum we have to know the standard forms of limits, okay, and also small formulas. Okay, now here I can applying limit extends to a x power n minus a power n by అరే చెప్పవారు గాడిదిగా ఫందిలా ఉన్నావు ఫంది ఇంకా ఓకే లెట్ us go with our ఓకే ఎందుకు మధ్యలో let us go with our new topic, limits. From limits we expected 2 marks, maximum 2 marks for this session, EAMCET 2021. Let us go with our problem. Limit extends to 0, kth root of 1 plus x minus 1 by x, k belongs to z plus x, z plus. Now your options are k minus k, 1 by k, minus 1 by k. Okay, here maximum we have to learn standard forms of limit, okay, and also small formulas like this. Let limit extends to a x power n minus a power n by x minus a equals to n into x power n into a power n minus 1. Okay, now this is the one of the formula. Okay, now given problem we have to write in the form of this limit extends to 0. Okay, shall I write like this, adding 1 plus 1, here also 1 plus x tends to 1, and also here 1 plus x whole power 1 by k minus 1 power 1 by, and also it is nothing but 1 power 1 by k. Okay, because of we need as a n same power. Okay, now here 1 plus x minus 1, shall I write like this? Definitely we can write. Then that equals to, applying the formula in the place of n equals to what? Power 1 by k. Okay, in the place of constant 1 power 1 by k minus 1. Okay, 1 by k, 1 power anyone is the 1, yes or no? Then that is a 1 by k. Our option is third option. Okay, depending on maximum, standard forms, formulas. And let us go with the second one. Limit extends to 0, e power x minus e power sin x by 2 into x minus sin x. Okay, remember the sin x, e power x formula in limits extends to 0, e power x minus 1 by x equals to 1. Okay, now this is the one of the standard. Okay, let us go with that form. We have to convert it into the form. Now the solution, limit extends to 0. Now shall I taking common like this, e power sin x is a common, and here we have e power x minus sin x, yes or no? Because of e power sin x is not there, so that's why e power x minus sin x minus here 1. Okay, now 2 into x minus sin x. Okay, now writing separate, limit extends to 0, e power sin x, constant is a constant, leave that 2, and also applying this one, limit extends to 0 to this function, e power x minus sin x minus 1 by x minus sin x. Okay, observe it. Now it is in the form of, next one, yes or no, limit x tends to 0 e power x minus 1 by x equals to 1. Okay, now it is like a, suppose power is a x minus sin x, here also we have x minus sin x, yes or no. Okay, that's why it is in the form, definitely. So now this one equals to, shall I write like this? Limit x tends to 0, apply x equals to 0, then e power 0 is a 1, it is a 1 by 2. Now this is a 1. Okay, now 1 by 2 into 1 is a 1 by 2. Okay, now our option is second one. Okay, let us do more problems. Okay, okay, let us do more problems. Now the question number 3, limit x tends to 0 under root 1 plus x square minus under root 1 minus x plus x square by 3 power x minus 1. Options are log 9, 1 by log 9, log 3, 1 by log 3. Now observe here, it is like a power x minus 1. Okay, we have one standard form, limit x tends to 0, a power x minus 1 by x equals to log a. Okay, base e. Okay, leave that, you can apply here. Then what about this? These type of functions can be done by taking rationalization. Okay, let under root 1 plus limit x tends to 0, 1 plus x square minus under root 1 minus x plus x square. Okay, 3 power x minus 1 into under root 1 plus x square plus under root 1 minus x plus x square by under root 1 plus x square plus under root 1 minus x plus x square. Okay, let limit x tends to 0. Here we have a minus b into a plus b, definitely. Now it is a square minus b. Okay, and also 1 plus x square plus under root 1 minus x plus x square. Now remaining is a limit x tends to 0, 1 by 3 power x minus 1. Okay, now shall I write like this? Now it is a 1 by limit x tends to 0, 3 power x minus 1 by, now take as a x, and also we need one of the x, because of we need form like this. Yes sir. Okay, let square root cut, limit x tends to 0. Now 1 plus x square minus 1 plus x minus x square. Here x square get cancel, 1 get cancel, 1 plus x square plus under root 1 minus x plus x square by, what about this 1? It is a 1. Now remaining is a x. This x cancel. Okay, now so don't cancel now. Now x, limit x tends to 0. Now x by under root 1 plus x square plus under root 1 minus x plus x square into 1 by x cancel, get cancel. Now apply, substitute 0, 1 by it is a 1 plus 0, 0. Okay, now it is a 1 plus, okay, it is nothing but 2. Here not only 1, it is nothing but log a means 3, yes or no, base is a e. Okay, now log 3, 1 by log 3. Okay, 1 by log 3. Okay, but options are 1 by log 9, log 3, 1 by log 3. Then how to get log 9? Let observe 1 by 2 log 3 is nothing but 1 by log 3 square, yes or no, 1 by log 9. Okay, now it is a 1 by log 9, second option. Okay, now the fourth one, let f r to r be a positive increasing function with limit extends to infinity f of 3x by f of x equals to 1, then limit f of 2x by extends to infinity f of 2x by f of x equals to what? 2 by 3, 3 by 2, 3, 1. It is a different type of problem. Okay, here f is the increasing function and also two functions are given. In these two functions we have common function f of x, f of x. Like these problems can be done by taking the sandwich theorem. Okay, sandwich theorem is nothing but, suppose the function, increasing function f of x, then g of x and h of x, like this. F of x less than or equal, g of x less than or equal to h of x. Now the limits, if here if limit extends to infinity f of x equals to limit extends to infinity h of x equals to L is the limit, then limit extends to infinity g of x also be L. Okay, remember, if these limits of f of x and h of x are equals to each other, then the middle one also be the same, like that. Okay, now let now taking like this, x f of x less than f of 2x, f of 3x are increasing functions like this. Then shall I write like this, 1 f of x, f of 2x by f of x less than or equals to f of 3x by f of x. Okay, now apply the limits. Limit extends to infinity 1 equals to 1, yes or no? Now this function is a 1 and also this one. Limit extends to infinity f of 3x by f of x also be 1 by the problem. Yes, now similarly, then from in these two, now the third one also be same like that. Limit extends to infinity f of 2x by f of x equals to 1. Okay, now our option is fourth one. Okay, okay, let us do more problems. Here limit extends to 4 plus x square minus 7x plus 12 by x minus step x equals to what? Here this means greatest integer factor, step x. Now first one, options are first one 1, 2 is a 0, 3 is a 2, 4th is a does not exist. And okay, let us go with this solution. Here extends to 4 plus means definitely the step of x equals to 4. Yes or no? Okay, let apply here. Limit extends to 4 plus, here x square minus 7x plus 12, shall I write like this, x minus 3 into x minus 4, definitely minus 3 minus 4 minus 7, minus 3 into minus 4 is a plus 12. Okay, so here it is nothing but x minus 4. Okay, then these are cancelled. Limit extends to, let apply, it is a 4 minus 3 equals to 1. Okay, now our option is first one. Okay, let us go with the next one. Here the problem is limit extends to 1, log base 3, 3x, log x, x3. Now here I can apply one standard form. Let observe, limit extends to 0, 1 plus x whole power 1 by x equals to e, one of the standard form. Okay, now we have to convert into that form. Limit extends to 1 Now it is nothing but log AB, so log A plus log B, yes or no? So log base x 3, okay, here base is a 3, remember. Now limit x tends to 1, now this is nothing but 1 plus log x, base is a 3, so shall I write like this, log base 3x, okay. Then observe, if suppose x tends to 1, then log base 1 3 base x, sorry, log x base 3 tends to 0, yes or no? Log 1 is the 0, so shall I write like this, is a 0, okay. It is the same exact like this standard form. Let observe, in the place of x equals to log x base 3, yes or no? So that's why it is nothing but what, e. Okay, now our option is second one, already mentioned there, second one. Okay, let us go with the next problem. Limit x tends to infinity, x minus log x by x plus log x equals to what, 1 minus 1 0 2. Okay, here we cannot apply any formula, any standard, we cannot convert into the any standard form. So that's why I can apply one method, L'Hospital rule. Okay, what is that? If suppose x tends to infinity, definitely we will get what, infinity by infinity form, yes or no? So when we have that is a 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity, and also we can apply like this rule, LH rule. So by LH rule we can convert the function in the derivative of function. Suppose it is f of x, then it one becomes as f dash x. Okay, now differentiation of this one is a 1 minus 1 by x by 1 plus 1 by x. Then x tends to infinity, then 1 by x tends to 0, yes or no? So right, 1 minus 0 by 1 plus 0 equals to 1 by 1 equals to 1. Okay, our option is first. Okay, now if f of x equals to x equals x into tan inverse x, then limit x tends to 1, f of x minus f of 1 by x minus 1 equals to pi by 4, pi plus 1 by 4, pi plus 2 by 4, or pi plus 3 by 4. Okay, observe all this problem, each and every problem is a different method of problem. I hope you can understand this. Okay, here observe, limit x tends to a, f of x minus f of a by x minus a is nothing but f dash of a, yes or no? Okay, so suppose we can take f dash of x by given, now it is nothing but x into 1 by 1 plus x square, differentiation of v, u, differentiation of v plus u, v as it is, differentiation of v is a 1. Okay, so now f dash of 1 equals to, in the place of x equals to what, a means 1, yes or no? A equals to 1. So apply here, x equals to 1. So 1 into 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 square plus here 1 into tan inverse 1. Okay, now it is a 1 by 2 plus it is nothing but pi. Tan inverse 1 should be, tan inverse 1 it should be what? Tan inverse 1 it should be pi by 4. Tan inverse 1, because of 1 is a tan pi by 4, is a pi by 4. So LCM is a 4, then it is a 2 plus pi, pi plus 2 pi 4. Our option is third one. Okay, I hope you can understand. Okay, let us do more problems in next video. Okay, watch my videos, please subscribe and share. Okay, thank you.